Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm using the Lorac 4 and I'm doing a purple halo eye look. I think it'd be beautiful for nighttime look. It might be a little bit too much for daytime or going to work, but I do think it would be beautiful for evening look or weekend look, maybe going out on a date. I will put all the colors that I applied to my eye and also where I applied them on my eye, and I'll put that in the description below. So if you want to stop here, you can see everything that I used and just do the look by yourself. Or if you want to stick with me, I'll show you a tutorial. I'll show you the brushes I used, the technique that I used, and how I applied these. Using the Lorac Behind the Scenes Eye Primer, I'm going to prime my eyes from my eyelashes until my eyebrows. Using pink Peony, I'm going to take a large eyeshadow brush and I'm going to set my primer. Using the color Cedar and a crease brush, I'm going to apply that lightly into my crease using a windshield wiper motion, and then I'm going to use small circular motions to blend that out. Using a pointed definer brush, I'm going to take the color Vamp and I'm going to apply that to the inner 1/3 of my eyelid and the outer 1/3 of my eyelid. Using the color Fairytale, I'm going to pat that onto my finger, and then I'm also going to pat that onto the center of my eye. I would actually recommend putting glitter glue on the center of your eye before you apply this, because this did have a lot of fallout and it didn't last as long as I had wanted it to last. So by using glitter glue, you can actually make it last quite a bit longer and prevent the fallout. Using a blending brush, I'm going to gently blend out the edge between Fairytale and Vamp. And that's just to prevent any harsh edges. Using a flat packing brush, I'm going to gently kind of blend out my crease area just to prevent any harsh edges between the crease color and the halo eye colors. I had quite a bit of fallout with these colors, so I'm going to take a fan brush and just brush that off. And then I'm also going to take my IT Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye just to kind of clean up any eyeshadow fallout and just make it look cleaner. I'm going to take the color Vamp and a defining brush, and I'm going to apply that to the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line, and then also the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that same accent brush, dip it into Fairytale, and I'm going to apply that to the center of my lower lash line. So basically I'm mirroring the halo effect. I'm going to take the color Foam, and using an accent brush, I'm going to apply that to the inner tear duct area. That's just a highlighter. And then I'm going to take the color Pink Peony, and I'm going to use just a large eyeshadow brush, and I'm highlighting underneath my brow bone using that color. And this is the final look. It's just a pretty kind of an evening halo eye. It's a purple with a little bit of a blueness to it, I think, because that Fairytale color it's supposed to be lavender, but it gives off a little bit of a blue vibe in my opinion. So I want to thank you for being here with me today, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye-bye.